Okay, so here is the kind of the lobby area where the kids will eat, as well as kind of the bus drop-off coming here. Big, nice kind of a cafeteria space for the students. So where we are right now is the gymnasiums. As you see, there will be two separate equal-sized gymnasiums coming up. Completely walled in now, roof's done. So here is one of the general music rooms. There will be 3 general music rooms, and then some small space for orchestra and band lessons. But as you see, this is kind of getting complete too. Ready to keep moving. So we are in one of the academic areas right now. This is kind of the middle team makerspace area with the classrooms you see all around. So there is 6 classrooms around here with kind of a middle space for maybe some lab assignments in science, but this is one of the academic areas, the academic wings that they're putting together. So right here is the kind of the middle courtyard between the 2 wings. So this is the one academic wing that's going to host about 24 classrooms. And then you can see they're starting to get the beams up. On the other side will be the other 24 classrooms. And this will be a nice open courtyard area in between.